Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 6 ways to use Deque from the collections module in Python. Number 1, a Deque is a list-like sequence optimized for data access near its endpoints. It accepts an errorable such as a list, tuple, string, or dictionary with the items method. Number 2, you can use pop left or append left methods to remove or add from the left end of the sequence. Here I'm first using the pop left method to remove the first item from the left, then using the append left method to add property 2 to the left. Number 3, you can use the pop or append methods to remove or add items to the right end of the sequence. In this example, I'm using the pop method to remove sales, then using the append method to add sales 3 to the right end of the sequence. Note you cannot remove arbitrary items using pop because Deque is implemented as a doubly linked list. Number 4, to insert an item at a specific index, use the insert method. If you wanted to remove an item by value, use the remove method. Alternatively, you can use the del keyword to delete an item by index. Number 5, use the rotate method to rotate the items to the left or to the right. If you don't pass anything to the rotate method, the items will be rotated to the right by 1. If you pass -1, then the items will be rotated to the left by 1. Last but not the least, number 6, pass the maxLen argument in the constructor to specify the maximum length of the Deque. On line 48, the property item will get dropped because I specified a max length of 2. On line 50, customer will get dropped because I'm appending taxes to the right end of the sequence. On line 52, taxes will be dropped because I'm appending client to the left. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.